Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to make a payment but didn't have cash or your card handy? It's a common occurrence in today's fast-paced world. Thankfully, there are convenient digital payment solutions that can save you from such inconveniences. One such solution is Favepay. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps of using Favepay to make payments seamlessly. Favepay is a user-friendly mobile app that allows you to link your bank accounts or credit cards, making it easier to pay for goods and services. Whether you're shopping online, dining out, or paying bills, Favepay offers a secure and efficient way to handle your transactions. Step-by-step guide. Download and install. The first step is to download the Favepay app from your device's app store. Once downloaded, install the app and open it. Create an account. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account. This process usually involves providing your email address, mobile number, and setting a strong password. Link your payment method. To use Favepay, you'll need to link your bank account or credit card. The app will guide you through the secure process of adding your payment information. Explore Favepay features. Take some time to explore the different features offered by Favepay. You might discover cashback rewards, exclusive deals, or loyalty programs that can enhance your shopping experience. Making payments. To make a payment, simply open the Favepay app and select the Pay option. You will be presented with various options, such as scanning a QR code, entering a merchant ID, or using the app's virtual card. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment. Tips and tricks. Security. Favepay prioritizes security. Ensure you use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing attempts. Cashback and rewards. Take advantage of cashback offers and loyalty programs provided by Favepay. These can help you save money on your purchases. Customer support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Favepay's customer support. They are available to assist you. Favepay offers a convenient and secure way to make payments in today's digital age. By following the simple steps outlined in this video, you can easily start using Favepay for your everyday transactions. With its user-friendly interface and various features, Favepay can make your life easier and more efficient. Have you tried Favepay yet? If not, download the app now and experience the convenience of digital payments. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.